back to my YouTube channel. Today we're gonna talk about the Jacquemus and Nike collab. Now let me break down how I got the shoe, where did I buy it from. I have a whole story about this shoe. So I went on, I was on Twitter, you know, it was like 7 in the morning on a Saturday, and I knew these were coming out. I saw like the link pop up, but this is before they really like officially dropped the shoe. And you know, I was on a Jacquemus website like, oh, let me see if I can actually get it, you know? So I was able to check out, but like everything went through. I thought I got the right size. I thought I got, you know, like I picked a 38.5, but unfortunately, when I got the shoe, it turns out it was like a men's 7.5. And no, not a men's 7.5. I'm sorry. I like a women's 7.5, which is like a men's 5.5, I believe. And I got the wrong size, and it was like up to my toe. So I was just like, you know what? I'm gonna order another pair. I'll just give the pair to a friend and see what happens from there. So then I got another pair from Goat, and Goat sent me the wrong size, and I got a women's 7, even though I asked for a men's 7, which is a women's 8.5, 9. So this is what I got. So now I'm just like, well, damn, like that was. So I went on StockX and hopefully I get the right shoe size. So what I can say from what I researched on the internet about the shoes is that if you are buying women's sizes, you have to say it'll stay true to your size. But if your guys have size up, so this is the shoe right here. This is the bone color, I believe, light bone. And what caught my eye about the shoe actually is that I like the little gold swoosh right here. Like, this shoe is based on the Air Humara. I hope I said that right. The Air Humara, and the Air Humara is like a hiking shoe. Like, you go hiking with the shoe on. I don't know who would go on hiking with the Jacquemus shoe, but I mean, if you're a type of person who doesn't care about their shoes and what you can and how you destroy them, then by all means. But usually I don't wear a lot of light color shoes, but I liked this colorway because it's a neutral color. Like, I could wear white, I could wear tan, I could wear khaki, I could wear like any light colored neutral color. And I also like these little tabs on the shoelaces right here, if you can see. These little tabs right here. And I thought these were cute. So retail, these are $170. Now, if you're trying to buy them resale, it's only a $100 difference. I mean, I understand that's not everybody's budget, but it's it's like more than like $100 retail. Like, it's like, I'm sure if you go on like Goat, StockX, or even Flight Club, they're no more than like $262, depending on your size though, because I'm usually like a women's 8.5, 9, or men's 6.5, 7, depending on the shoe. But the shoe caught my eye like a few months ago when Nike originally announced this, and then Jacquemus posted this on their Instagram page, and I was like, I have to get these. So a lot of people were complaining also about that the site crashed and that they were able to get the shoes, but then the site picked back up on Jacquemus' official website, and they were able to get the shoes. But when the shoes sold out on the official website, I know Louisa Via Roma had a few pairs. Like, they had the brown pair and they had this pair. I don't know what other websites had them, because I was able to get them through Jacquemus before they officially dropped. So that's based on my own knowledge. But I plan to wear these with maybe like a linen set, or maybe like a t-shirt dress. I don't know what bag I would wear this with though. Let me see, hold on. I don't know. I think these would go great with my brown Chanel nylon. What y'all think? Because it's given. Like I'm going based on the straps on the side. Like if you want to see, like it's almost close to that color. I mean, it's both neutrals. So I think it'll be like a cool combination if you just wear like an all white dress with these and then throw this bag on. Not an all white dress, like a t-shirt dress, or like an all white fit, and then, you know, throw this on, throw this one. Yeah, so I do like this material. It feels more like a, I'm not gonna say felt. It does give me more like a suede. Yeah, this is kind of like suede material. And then like the laces are still, you know, Nike quality laces, and then this leather on top. It's kind of reminds me of like, I don't know if you can see here, this leather kind of reminds me of like calfskin, because I have Chanel calfskin sneakers and they feel almost the same. And this is the sole. So Jacquemus pretty much turned the Air Humara into their own interpretation of what their shoe would look like. So, I mean, that's pretty much it. I won't get my official size shoe until like maybe August. So hopefully I can wear these shoes. I like them a lot. What I'm gonna do with the other two pairs, I might sell them. I might give them away to a relative who may fit these, but other than that, I'm just waiting for my shoes. But I hope I gave a really honest review of what the shoe is like. I know I didn't say exactly like about the fit, but I just know that the fit is true to size if you're a woman, and if you're a guy, please have size up. That's all I have for now. So please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. I'm gonna start posting new videos on Monday instead, because I realized Monday and Wednesday just does not fit into my schedule like that. So that's what I'm gonna do. So new videos on Monday. Thank you for tuning in. I hope you enjoyed the video. All right, thank you guys, bye.